All right, y'all, man. Listen, I'm back. I'm back with a cooking tutorial. Listen, it don't take that many ingredients. I'm gonna make y'all an omelet, the Shaq Diesel style, the Shaq Diesel way. So y'all check me out, man. I'm gonna show y'all my chefing skills. You know, I ain't go to school for it, but definitely I got some skills, man. I'm gonna show y'all, man. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with, I got my my skillet hot. So I'm going to stick the onions in. I already pre-chopped. So I'm going to put my onions in. Get my onions. Get them to sizzling a little bit. And then, y'all, I'm going to go to this Amish butter. One of my man got it from the Santup Amish butter. He's all over the military. So I'm going to try this Amish butter with my food today and see how it turned out. I tried it on my toast. It was great. So we're going to put the Amish butter in. We're going to crank this heat up a little bit too, because we're going to go and get it on hot. I'm going to butter my whole pan. Even though I got my little onions in there, minced in there. They ain't diced. I ain't that good with the knife, but I'm going to try to be. I got my Amish butter going. What we're going to do, we're going to leave that little piece thick. This turkey bacon, man. I mean, turkey sausage. Jimmy Dean full of cooked turkey sausage. The only one I could find, so I'm going to add my sausage. Since it takes the longer to cook, it already pre-cooked, but I want to have like a crispy mash off. You know what I'm saying? Crispy. Got all my sausage in there. I'm the only person eating tonight, so I'm gonna go on make enough for my breakfast tomorrow. I ain't got good knife skills, man, so y'all do. Show me how to do it. So I got my turkey sausage going on here, man. I'm trying to get away. Y'all know I can pull back and forth for a minute. For a lot of reasons, swimming in the head and all that. You don't know swimming in the head mean like getting lightheaded and dizzy. And when I cut back and forth, I was getting less lightheaded and dizzy. So I really do think that was the reason. All right, so this is how I do my omelet, man. So the omelet butter is so good, it tastes good on toast. This is my style, my way. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the broil on. I'm gonna get that on high. That's for the oven. Because this goes in the oven. This goes in the oven too, y'all. So it's a two-step. And it won't take no more than 10 minutes. So 10-minute breakfast meal. You know, breakfast is the best thing to eat at night. It tastes really, really good. Breakfast. So my meat is getting hot and sizzling. Like I said, it's already fully cooked. I couldn't find the other pack that I usually get, but this right here works. I'm going to spread it out. Spread my little meat out and turn the heat back down just a little bit, about 8. I'm going to spread them out because I don't want it piled up. Then we're going to add mushrooms, my favorite. Mushrooms. So you add my mushrooms and then I'm going to do the same thing. It's gonna take the mushroom too long to get done, so we're gonna mix this on in. If you're a meat lover like me, man, I tell you, this is the best way. So now that I see my butter is superior, I'm gonna add another little, I don't know, just a little, just enough to pop it back off, man. You know what I'm saying? Just pop it back off. All right, everything hot, lukewarm. Now we're gonna do the trick. This is the trick right here. This is my trick right here, man. Nobody showed me. Just something I just came up with in the kitchen. So I got all my meat hot, all my meat. So now I'm gonna add my spinach, which ain't chopped up properly. I gotta learn how to chop it up. Let's see how I'm sawing with the knife. So we're gonna add this spinach all over like that. Let it get warm. All right, got the spinach in there. Get rid of that tray. Let me get me a fork. Just stay right there. All right, got my fork. So I'm gonna just mix this around a little bit. Y'all can try this, man. And then when y'all try it, y'all say, man, Shaq, these showed me this. I ain't get out no recipe book. Y'all ain't never seen it before ever. I don't even read books, and I definitely don't even watch stuff like that. So We're gonna turn the heat all the way off. Let me turn it off for a second. My spinach is over. It's getting where I need to be. All right, we're gonna spread it back across the pan like this. Spread it back across the pan evenly. We're gonna add cheese. Walmart, great value. So you can always use that. You put the cheese all the way across. Much as you like. I mean, you ain't stealing the recipe. I'm giving it to you, so ain't like you stealing it. So if you try it and turn out good for you, it turn out good. You ain't stealing it, trust me. All right, that's melted down. So now this the trick right here, y'all. This the trick. I got my eggs. I got 4 eggs. Y'all see 4 eggs. I'm gonna whip them up. Whip, whip, whip. I'm gonna whip them up good. You know what I'm saying? Really, really good. And this is how I'm gonna do that thing, y'all. All right, got them whipped. I'm gonna pour them all the way across. All the way across. All the way across. Get the rest of my egg out of there. You can give it a little stir too, not too heavy. Just a little mild stir. Like I said, not too heavy. Because you will scramble the egg all the way. Look good so far, y'all? Look good so far? Alright, I'm gonna get a little bit more cheese out of the refrigerator. Top it off. Alright, so you want to come on with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Sargento, you know what I'm saying? You want to come on with it. You hear me? So we're going to finish it off with a little more hard cheese like this. Not much. Not much at all, y'all. Not much at all. And then here's the number one uno thing I like to do. Since I got it on broil, we're going to slap this sapsucker in the oven on broil. They're gonna give us that crispy crunch on the top, and they're gonna get a crispy crunch on the top. It's gonna be more like a pizza style omelet. You know what I'm saying? Guess I need to make a recipe book. We're gonna make this happen though. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds, y'all. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds. Working with these new phones. Bye-bye to the Android. I let it go. Now I'm an iPhone user. But I don't have play and pause on it, so I got to do a lot of editing on my own now for real until I learn how they work. iMovies? Until I work how they work the iMovies. So we're gonna check on it. Make sure it ain't too harsh. It ain't harsh at all. So we're gonna let it sit and ride for a minute, man. We're gonna let it ride for a minute. I'm gonna talk to y'all, man. Look, it's gonna be my style of omelet, so y'all can try it. Let me know how it tastes. Put your own stuff in it, you know what I'm saying? You use pork sausage, use pork sausage. You use bacon, use bacon. You got to see the whole steps, 1, 2, 3 again. Watch the video back to back to back to back to get the video, and you will see. So I'm trying to get a little more crisp, a little more browning going on in there. I gotta have some brown. Now some brown, maybe the rack a little too low. But we're gonna let it do that because I don't want to overcook it, make it dry. So we're gonna let it sit there. Get a little more brown to it, and then we're going to cut it, taste it, and see how it turn out. Hold on, I go back. So now I'm going to cut my oven off. I'm going to pour this delicious looking omelet out the oven. Make sure I don't burn my hand. Voila, that's it. So what we're going to do is let it chill down a little bit. I'm gonna slice it, and I'm gonna eat, man. And I'm gonna sign out, man. Y'all stay tuned for this little cooking channel, man. We're gonna try something different. We're gonna try something a little different. Turkey sausage, spinach, onions. Yes. So once they get all the way crispy, cool down, they're gonna turn to a solid pizza. And that's how you make the Shack Diesel turkey, spinach, mushroom omelet. You're gonna get full, man. And you're gonna say, thank you, man, for putting me on something new. And you're gonna get tired of eating the same egg in the same style. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I forgot. One more last thing to go with your omelet. You have your toast, man. With the almond butter. You have your toast. So I have mine with toast. So I told you come straight out like a slice of pizza, let it cool down. So I have mine with toast. And I use the put it right here. And I use salsa. That's my little trick. I like to eat mine with salsa. Have my fork right here. Let's dive into this thing right quick, y'all. Real quick. Check out my recipe, man. Ooh, it's good. See y'all, man. I gotta eat my food. Once you get this delicious plate, man, you gotta wash it down with a cold glass of milk. You got to. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I'm out, y'all. You hear me? Shake Diesel, shake Diesel, shake Diesel.